I've got little 7-week-old Marjorie and Dobbs babies. First of all, we've got the little girl here. She is puppy number 5, and she is available. These guys will be ready to go in 1 week. There she is. And then we got 2 brindle boys. The one over there, he just now starting to look at us. And then this one, I'll grab you because you're closer. You're puppy number 11, and he is definitely the wild man of the bunch. And then puppy number 1, the other brindle, he's the calmest one. And then we have over there playing with the hearts, puppy number 11. Oh, come here. Ah! Gosh, I can't reach you. I'll have to come back to try to do that. Okay, there's puppy. Not 11, I'm sorry, puppy number 8. There's puppy number 8. There he is. You having fun in here? Running around out here? Huh? You having fun? I sure am. Okay. I got puppy 11 here, crawling up on my arm. And they're all predicting to weigh between 4.4 and just under 5 pounds. And their predicted weights are on my website. Next week I'll weigh them on camera. They're so fun. Yeah. The other little 3-week-old litter that I had out here, I called them boring. Well, this is what happens after a month. They're not boring anymore. Not at all. No, they're not. Hey, what you guys doing over there? Huh? This one, he doesn't like getting pounced on. He's actually the biggest one, too. Him and the girl that I'm keeping over, where is she at? Right there. That's Beth. Oh! The Thumbelina is what I should call you. I should call you Thumbelina. Thumbelina. Okay, all right. Oh! Careful over there. All right. You wanna play? Huh? You wanna play with that? Go take it away. You can go take it away. Go run around with it like a big prize. Oh, you want this instead? Oh gosh. Poor little puppy one. He gets in the house. He's a lot more active. He just kind of freaks out coming out here. He's just still not with it yet when it comes to the puppy shed. But that's okay. The more we come out here, the more he'll like it. Oh gosh, this one. That's the girl. He wants to join in. It's like, he wants to. And you want to chew on my arm? Huh? Is that what you want to do? Chew on my arm? Huh? Okay. What are you doing over there? Huh? Oh, whoa. All right. Oh, these guys, they run and then just slam their heads into the ground. That's why tile floors, I can never have a tile floor. It's just, no, not with all the puppies. It gets very scary. Oh, look at those. That is cute. Oh! You guys. All right, I'm gonna go for now.